Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It's been a minute since I posted an update on the F-150 on the Valvoline Restore and Protect. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to send this borescope inside the engine oil fill port and then compare what it looks like today versus the last time we checked, which was about 3,100 miles ago. Well, for context, in that time frame, I've changed the oil twice. The first oil change was because it was close to the end of the 2,500 mile oil change interval. And then the second oil change was about 2 weeks ago. We're gonna send the borescope in, take a picture of our reference point, and then compare that against the last time we took a picture of it. I do wanna just take a second to highlight a few things about the F-150. So currently it's at 69,400 miles. So we have a lot of way to go before we hit that 500,000 miles. In the last couple of months, what I've done is I've changed the brake fluid, put in AMSOIL, coolant, drain and fill. I've replaced the front and rear differential fluid with the AMSOIL 75W85 severe gear. I took it to the shop to get transmission fluid changed to AMSOIL ULV. In addition, I also changed the transfer case fluid. In the F-150, it calls for a Mercon LV fluid. The AMSOIL ATF fluid meets the spec for that, so I ended up doing that. I'm very happy with the amount of maintenance items that I've been able to do at home, except the transmission fluid. Maybe there comes a day where I can do it at home if I have like a full vehicle lift where I can easily get under there and do all that, but for the time being, I'm taking it to my local shop to get it done. All right, with all that context provided to you guys, let's go ahead and send this guy inside the oil fill port and see what's inside. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. The reason why I didn't put the dipstick under our cheap microscope to take a close look at it is because it's really clean. There's not a whole lot of content to cover from a cleaning perspective. And you might be wondering, well, why use Restore and Protect? Well, Valvoline says that you can use it like any other oil. The reason why I'm using that versus all the available options is because I think nowadays car manufacturers are making their engines smaller, yet increasing the output. And as a result, these engines are running hotter, and I think the best thing that I can do for my engine is to keep all the metal surfaces clean so that we can ensure a proper heat transfer between fluid and metal. This is especially important for the turbochargers in the 3.5 liter EcoBoost here, because the turbochargers are both water cooled and oil cooled. I think that the Restore and Protect will help with all of that. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Have you used this oil? Do you plan on using it? What's stopping you, or what's motivating you to use it? Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.